Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this and they want to know how they could cut the outside of the diamond and engrave the inside of the diamond, and that's pretty easy. So I've just kind of drawn it out. It is 12 inches, so we're going to set our nudge factor on 15. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate of this guy and move it over. This is going to be our cut line. So I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete that line because you don't want that line to cut and you don't want those lines to cut. Now on here, we're going to do just the opposite. We're going to cut out that line. This is not part of the circle. So now we can go to our pen tool, right click a couple of times, change it to black, just so you'll know it's a engravable line, and then make it whatever point size you want. And you can kind of watch it happen. That's probably too thick. But then you can take this line and nudge it over, and then that will engrave. It's too thick, but you can always look at it and go, well, let's make it 16 points. And that will engrave and that will cut out. I hope that's what they were asking, and thank you for watching.